Hi guys, so I'll be showing you how to make this mini pancake donuts, similar to little orbits. So we have of course the pancake mix, one egg, and some fresh milk. Pancake mix, and we can add the egg and some milk. And we can add the egg now. Just one egg guys, okay? And then we can add some milk. Add some milk and then we'll mix it guys. Add a little bit more milk, and after done mixing guys, we can transfer the mixture in pastry bag or any plastic guys will do before we fry it and deep fry them. So we'll be transferring the mixture in this piping bag guys. If you don't have piping bag, pastry bag, it's okay. You can just use any regular plastic, ice plastic, and then just leave this, put this in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes first before we deep fry them guys. It's easy to make this mini donuts, right? Make these at home too. Just buy some pancake mix and then one egg and then some milk guys. So yeah, you can place this in the fridge first for 10 to 15 minutes guys before we deep fry the donuts. Use a pastry bag or any regular plastic guys. So now for the topping guys, depends on you. For us, we prefer sugar, to mix sugar and cinnamon. So just mix some sugar and some cinnamon guys. More sugar please. And then just add some cinnamon powder. So just mix them. And also, so depends on you guys. Use Milo, right? Or cocoa powder.
It's not too big though.
So the oil is already, it's very hot already guys. We're gonna be deep frying the like so guys. So it depends on you what shape actually. For us of course we prefer like mini donuts or like munchkins.
Yeah.
So it's easier, right guys, to make these small donuts, and then you can just add some cinnamon sugar or Milo, even some Nutella, depends on you guys. So here you go guys, you can make your own mini donuts or even like your own donuts, some bigger ones. So we can, as we showed you earlier, you can just add some cinnamon and sugar or even use this container. to make it, you know, to make the cinnamon sugar. Cinnamon sugar mini donut. There you go. It's easier, right, guys, to make these donuts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, guys. Yummy.